Western Morris County in northern New Jersey, Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey until 7:15 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over 5 points, or 7 miles west of Newton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Newton, Montague, Hopatcong, Hackettstown, Mount Arlington, Franklin, Stanhope, Hamburg, Macomb, Ogdensburg, Sussex, Branchville, Andover, Pine Point, Lake Mohawk, Greenville, Millbrook, Vernon Valley, Allentown, and Crandon Lakes. This includes Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 16 and 28. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: